Korean Ssaem. Easy, real Korean.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 한국어 쌤이에요. Hi, I'm Korean Sam. Today, we are going to learn Korean vowels, which are the first step to reading Hangul. Hangul is a very logical and scientific writing system. In this lesson, I will teach you how to read and write Korean vowels step by step. Listen carefully to my pronunciation, repeat after me, and write along with me. You can also practice both reading and writing with the PDF worksheet below. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and read Korean vowels. Let's get started. Step 1. Basic Korean vowels. First, let's learn the basic Korean vowels. Listen carefully and repeat after me. A, ya, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Great. Let's try it one more time. A, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Step 2. Double vowels. Now, let's learn the double vowels. These vowels are made by combining two vowels together. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. 에, 예, 와, 왜, 위, 워, 왜, 의. Good job. Let's try one more time. 에, 예, 와, 왜, 위, 워, 왜, 의. Great job. Some of these vowels may sound very similar, so don't worry if they feel a little confusing at first. Step 3. Writing practice. Now, let's practice writing the vowels. Please take out your notebook and a pencil. I will show you the stroke order, so try writing each vowel with me. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 위, 워, 왜, 의. Step 4. Listening and writing practice. Great job so far. Now I will say the English sound and you try to write the correct Korean vowel. Ready? 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 위, 워, 왜, 의. Step 5. Quick listening quiz. Now let's try a quick quiz. I will say the Korean vowel sound and you choose which vowel it is. 요, 위, 어, 우, 예, 의, 와, 왜, 으. Okay, great job today. Today, you practiced reading and writing Korean vowels with me. You can download the free PDF worksheet in the description below to review what you learned today. Make sure to practice reading and writing the vowels. Also, remember that double vowels can be a little more challenging than basic vowels. So, if they feel difficult, don't worry. Just come back and watch this video again to review. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Next time, we will learn Korean consonants together. Thank you for studying Korean with me. See you in the next lesson. 감사합니다. 다음에 봐요.